morning, students. Okay, in last video classes we have completed that is 3 applications: microbes used in household products, microbes used in industries, and microbes used in sewage. Okay, that one we have seen in last classes. Okay, in today's session we can go with another one important application. This is very important examination point of view. Maybe asked for 5 marks. The application is microbes in production of biogas. How these microbes are used in the production of biogas. That one we are going to study with the help of typical biogas plant. That is, with the diagram we are going to study, and also we have seen some uses and what type of microbe is used in the production of biogas. That one we are going to see. What is meant by biogas? Simply, biogas means biogas is nothing but it is produced from a living organism. For example, if you take a cattle animal, that is cow or cattle, they are going to produce an excreta called as dung. Okay, that dung, by using that dung, biogas will be produced, which means that from living organism the gas will be produced, that will be used for various aspects. That is called as biogas. Here correct definition they have given, proper definition for biogas. It is a mixture of gases containing predominantly methane. It is a mixture of gases, not only one gas. It contains more gases. It is a mixture of gases predominantly which contains a methane, that is CH4, produced by microbial activity. How this methane gas is produced? They are going to produced by microbial activity that will be used as fuel, that will be used as energy sources. This biogas will be used as energy sources in the form of fuel, in the form of cooking and lighting purposes. This biogas will be used, which means that it contains a mixture of gases, that is, it contains methane like 50 to 70%. It's a gas. It contains CO2 around like 40% approximately, and hydrogen sulfur, which contains like roughly 50%. Like this, which contains a mixture of gases. Under that, the major predominant gas will be the methane. It is produced by the microbial activity. What type of microbe here used means, the microbe is called as methanogens. Methanogens. It's a bacteria called as methanogens contains more number of bacteria. Under that, one bacteria will be the methanobacteria. Under the activity of methanogens, okay, the methane gas will be produced. That will be used for various aspects. If you see the kettle, it contains what type of digestive system it contains? It contains rumen type of digestive system. The kettle contains rumen type of digestive system. In rumen of digestive system, which contains a bacteria. That bacteria are responsible for the digestion of cellulose. Usually the kettle will take grass. That grass contains a cellulose. That cellulose will be digested by certain bacteria. That cellulose helps for the cow for nutrition purpose. their digestion process will be occurred. Next will be the excreta. The cow dung will be produced. That dung contains the gas will be the methane under the action of microbial activity called as methanogens. Okay, this is the very important diagram. This is a diagram for typical biogas plant. It contains tank. It's a tank. It's a concrete tank, which height is like 10 to 15 feet. I think in villages you have seen this biogas tank or gobar gas tank. Usually we are going to call as gobar gas tank. Biogas or gobar gas, both are same. In villages we have seen in olden days. Nowadays it has been reduced, but now also in some places they are there. But in olden days they are more. They are set up in like this. They are made this gobar gas tank with the help of concrete, with the help of the cement and all. They are preparing. Okay, where cow dung will be introduced into that tank, and they are going to produce the gas. That is natural gas is said to be produced. If you see this tank, it's a long made up of concrete, which height is 10 to 15 feet, and one end they are going to put dung plus water. That will be come into this large tank where digester is going to take place, which means that here the microbial activity is going to take place anaerobically. Okay, anaerobically, where no presence of oxygen. Anaerobically, the digesting is going to take place, called as methanogens bacteria, and it is going to produce continuously. It is going to produce a gas. Okay, the type of gases are produced, that is methane, carbon dioxide, and hydrogen sulfur. Under that, major proportion will be the methane, and there will be one outlet which is connected to above tank, where gas will be out from this. And slurry is nothing but it's a partial liquid of cow dung. Okay, that will be collected in this tank. That will be used as a fertilizer. Okay, it's a simple setup. Okay, not much complicated. It is a simple setup. One end they are going to pass cow dung plus water. Okay, in the digester tank, in the long tank, the mixing of that is going to take place. Microbial activity is going to take place continuously, and gas will be produced. And one end gas will be outlet. Okay, and another one end they are going to collect a slurry. That slurry is used as a fertilizers for our agricultural purpose. Not only dung product will be introduced here, introduce some bio wastes also, some organic wastes like home wastes, like any vegetable wastes. For example, I am telling vegetable wastes, plant wastes, that all they have been introduced into this tank. Bio waste plus dung will be introduced. Okay, then, and what is the importance of this biogas plant means? Okay, we are getting a slurry. That slurry is used as a bio fertilizer. Which does not contain any chemicals. It is a organic product we are getting. That one will be used as in agriculture, which will get more yield and land will be more fertile by using this fertilizer. That is one important aspect. And another aspect will be we are going to produce an important gas. That gas is used for cooking purpose and lighting purpose, and also that will be used as fuel. Okay, and that will be also used as a fuel. And this biogas plant technology was introduced by the organization called as Indian Agricultural Indian Agricultural Research Institutes. And another one, it is Khadi and Village Industries Commission. These two institutes were put together and formed this technology. One is Indian Agricultural Research Institute and another one is Khadi and Village Industries of Commissions. Okay, this is about microbes are used in the production of biogas. Here one thing we have to remember, that is during microbial activity the biogas will be produced. There are one type of microbe, that is methanogens. Okay, methanogens type of bacteria will be, with the help of this only the biogas will be produced. Hope you all understood. If any doubts, ask.